always learning, and what are we doing today? We are learning, and today we're going to learn how to infuse tequila, or in this case mezcal, which is similar to tequila. Mezcal is a little different in that they smoke it underground, so it has more of a smoky flavor. We're using this as Maquay Espadin, which I can barely pronounce, and this is more easier. It's called Local, but they're both mezcals, and all you really do is you can take jalapenos, or these are habaneros. I did not realize habaneros were orange, but now I do. So I just cut up about 5 of them, and I'm simply going to take these and I'm going to put them in a mason jar, put the mezcal with them. I've labeled the top so I know which one's which. And then you let it set, you tighten the jar, you set it in the refrigerator for 24 to 36 hours. I'm gonna take it back out, and then I'll put it through a strainer, back into the bottle, and then you're done. It just lasts forever. And that's it. So I'll put them in there and we'll get going. I always wear gloves because I've got the skin underneath my fingernail, and I got it in my eye, and it was not good. But you're gonna do tequila, or like I said, mezcal, you're gonna infuse it the same way. Just cut it up so it's good. Like I said, I got about 4 or 5 of those. You'd get about 3 or 4 jalapenos, cut those up. Tighten it down, put it in the fridge, and then just let it set, like I said, 24 to 36 hours, and then we're gonna put it back in there. All right, so these have been in the fridge for about 36 to 48 hours, and just the canning jars. Now I'm just gonna pour them back in, and I'm gonna take out the habaneros and put them back in the jar. This is actually a jamming funnel, but you could, if you have a funnel, you could set this in there, some kind of strainer. You just wanna catch the habaneros and the seeds going back in. And if you get them in there, it's not that big a deal, because a lot of times with these mezcal or tequila, they put worms in them, so I don't think a pepper is gonna kill you. Put a little water on there to make sure I got the right one, in case you're doing 2 different brands. And then you just simply slowly pour it in there. There you go. We're gonna do that with the other one, and that's it. You don't have to refrigerate it now, you just store it, and now you have infused mezcal or infused tequila. Cheers. All right, so here we're just doing the same thing in the Local one. I'm just filtering out, getting all the seeds. As you can see, just taking those out, putting the other in. So that's it, pretty simple. Now, one more thing, you might actually write on here, habanero infused, so if somebody gets it and thinks it's regular mezcal or tequila, they won't burn their lips off. But it just makes it a little hotter. It's not that much hotter.